the consistency blueprints, how to stay on track even when life happens. Life happens, work, family, distraction, even exhaustion. But if you want results, you need a blueprint that keeps you floating consistently even when everything gets chaotic. I'm Coach Adi. The problem, life interruptions. You start very strong, all of a sudden something unexpected happens and your whole weekly plan collapses. You fix that one today using the 3-day safety net. This is about recording or preparing at least 3 pieces of content ahead. That is, make sure you always have 3 contents, that is, future contents readily available in case of any eventuality. This protects you from busy days, tired days, emergency days. Consistency becomes automatic. Micro habits that saves you. To stay consistent, use this habit. 10 minutes of scripting, 10 minutes of editing, 10 minutes of learning, 10 minutes of reviewing analytics. Small habits create big results. Then, the future you test. Ask yourself every night, what can I do today that will make future me grateful tomorrow? This simple mindset keeps you driven even when motivation is low. You don't need perfection, you just need a blueprint. And you now have one. Subscribe. The next video is on 1 product, 10 content ideas method. Fast content creation. Click the link and I will see you inside the next video. Thank you.